Here's a tip I thought I'd share for anybody out there with a motorcycle that has the key that goes in the side, like this one here I've had for 15 years. The key goes in the ignition like that. It's also doubles as a steering lock for anti-theft, so that's why they put it down here in sort of an inconvenient place. But driving along, your keys are flopping in the wind. Not an ideal situation, so what I did was I took one of those little keyring separator units. I took my Dremel tool, cut a slot in the end of one piece, silver soldered the key in that slot, and now when I ride the motorcycle, the key goes in there with nothing dangling in the wind. And this works for this bike, which is a Harley or Triumphs. There's many motorcycles that had the key in the side. Some of them up at the front, some behind the seat. And this is a way, very simple. You just cut a little slot, silver solder your key, and then you don't have your keys dangling in the wind.